Hi, Matt Capell here. I'm the owner of Capell Flooring and Interiors here in Meridian, Idaho. Hey, I just have another little tip and some information for you. If you like these, please comment below and share it with your friends so I know what content and what things to make for you, okay? So we often get asked about the Dustless Hardwood Refinishing Service. So that can be a little tricky with English because when you say dustless, some people think that there will not be any dust at all. And I don't know about you, but at least with me, if I leave my house for a week and we left it clean, when we come back, there's dust on stuff. I don't know where it comes from. I think there must be dust fairies or something crazy that happens. But that being said, all seriousness aside, back in the day when you used to refinish a hardwood floor, there'd be so much dust everywhere. It was crazy. I mean, you'd have to wipe it off. You could see it everywhere. Nowadays, the Dustless system, which I like to refer to as less dust system, because there's not as much. Basically what that does is it has an attachment on the sander, and it basically is like kind of a vacuum, keeps all the dust in, makes it way less messy. But to say that there's not going to be any dust after the job's done, that's just not possible because dust is everywhere. So I just wanted you to have that slight nuance, just so when you're having your hardwood refinished either by us or somebody else, that you know that it means that there's going to be a lot less dust, but it's not going to be perfect. So hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'm more than happy to answer it for you. And I hope you have a great day. Love to have you come see us here at Capell Flooring. And I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.